Hello students, welcome to BoAi's Slow English. I'm in New York right now and I'm with my family. My mom is filming me right now. She's getting a little creative with the camera, bringing it really close to my face. Today I will be speaking in my normal speed. We have so much planned for today. Well, not so much, but we are going to a museum. What is she doing with the camera? We're going to like a visual art museum. Did you watch my Tokyo video where we went to Team Labs? It's going to be similar to that. So we're going to do that, and then we're going to walk along Hudson River, and we're going to eat some Korean food. Right now we're having breakfast at the hotel, and I'll show you the view overlooking Central Park in just a moment. Please like and subscribe. If you know anyone who is just starting out with learning English, have them check out my new YouTube channel. It's for kids, families, and super beginner English learners. Here is the view of Central Park from the rooftop of the hotel. It's pretty cool how you can see the contrast between the buildings on the right and then all the trees on the left. City, forest, urban life, rural life. My parents are finishing up their breakfast. My dad is really going all out with the buffet because it's included since I booked the hotel through American Express. So he is maximizing his time here. Alright, it's time to get some coffee, and let's see where we're heading. Follow the arrow. We're gonna go this way. It's a little bit cold out today, partly cloudy. I think it's supposed to rain later, so it might become overcast. Overcast means that it's no blue in the sky and all gray. It's currently 10:44 a.m., so it's still before noon. I don't know why there's always steam that comes out of those sewers. Does anyone know? It kind of grosses me out when I walk over it. We're on 5th Avenue, which is a very popular long street with high-end shops. High-end meaning luxury. We're now walking on Madison Avenue, which is a lot less crowded compared to 5th Avenue. The first thing I notice on Madison Avenue is there's a lot of banks. There's also a lot of businessmen walking around with their business attire. Well, I guess that's all of New York City, actually. There's my parents. Say hi. There are many food delivery bikes. They're usually on e-bikes. Being an immigrant to the United States, growing up, I've always had the mentality of living to work instead of working to live. So as I get older, I'm really appreciating the latter mentality, which means the second one that I mentioned, which is you work to live. That way I can enjoy my travels more, and I can kind of turn off my brain when I'm on vacation. I don't always have to be thinking about work all the time. I'm also really grateful for my new haircut because my hair dried within like 20 minutes. I didn't have to use a blow dryer, and it's perfect for someone who's always on the go. Alright, we need to cross the street. Hey, do you recognize this? I have the miniature version in my office that you might have seen during my live streams. I believe this is a Kaws sculpture. Kaws is the name of an artist, K-A-W-S. For any of my Korean viewers, don't make fun of my Korean. I speak Konglish, which is Korean and English. 뭐 커피 마실래? Small coffee? 아빠 커피 마셔?
커피.
Okay.
아빠 스몰.
여기 기다려.
블랙. 나는 그 오트밀 조금 넣어.
Okay. Like cappuccino? Black?
그냥 레귤러. 블랙.
Just a little cream.
이제 밖에 있어.
Oh, watch out. Thank you. Cute. Looks like everyone's having a business meeting here. I'm standing in line to place my order on this touch screen. Alright. We are taking it to go. So in America, it's either for here or to go. We're gonna do, I think fast coffee for my dad. And he's gonna do, God, I don't know. I don't know the difference. You know what? I'm gonna get my dad an Americano. He said black coffee. Regular size. Okay, we're gonna add that. And then we're gonna do cappuccino for my mom and I. And we'll do oat milk. We're gonna do 2 of those. And add $19.05. Wow, that's expensive. My name is Bo. This is where the baristas are preparing the beverages, and then they will have it available for us on the counter. As some of you know, my husband really likes to go to coffee shops for the vibe, so this was on his list. Yes.
Cappuccinos
Thank you.
and Americano.
Yes, thank you. Here's our coffees, 2 cappuccinos, and 1 Americano for my dad. Cheers. 왜 컵 잡을 때 이렇게 잡아?
뚜껑 때문에? 뜨거워서. 뜨거워지고?
맛있어?
이런 거 처음 먹어보네. 카푸치노인데
카푸치노 처음 마셔? What?
너무 롱타임 먹었어. 이제 한 번도 안 먹었어 이런 거.
Okay, now I'm just realizing why I speak Konglish, because my mom speaks Konglish. Long time ago 마셨어.
어제 비디오 나도
You're, 엄마 때문에 내가 그렇게 말하잖아. We were gonna head to the subway station, but I decided to take a little detour so we can go to the DJI store. DJI is the brand of camera that I use, and I think I'm gonna be geeking out in there, which means I will feel like a kid in a candy store. I really like technology. I like playing around with different devices, and I didn't even know that DJI had its own brick and mortar store. Here we are! DJI. I hope they're open. Oh my god, do they? Okay, they're open. Hi. I'm so excited you guys have a store. Thank you. Is there a new version of the Pocket Osmo 3?
There is, but it's not available in the United States.
Oh, 내 거야. 똑같은 거. Are these mics compatible with this? Okay. What's the difference between this
The
one?
audio quality, battery life, so you see the price difference is from $79, whereas the mic 3 is $259. So audio quality, battery life, you have a receiver that includes a color display, whereas this one does not. So
Okay. Okay. So this is better than the one I have.
in many ways, yeah. But yours has some benefits as well. You can connect a lavalier mic to it.
Oh.
It's still very good audio quality. The benefits for this one is it's lighter, so it doesn't kind of weigh down on your shirt. If you're wearing like a t-shirt, the clipping mechanism's better.
Okay, that's good to know.
But you still have a good mic.
Okay. Whoa, look at this drone. Drone manjada. So this drone is $16,499. That is a serious drone. I have this drone, I think. I don't know how to operate this, so I just let Gabriel operate it. Well, I hope to upgrade my camera. Right now I have the Pocket 3, and when the new version comes out in the States, maybe I'll get it. Thank you. Bye. Where's my dad? Oh, 어디 있어? Oh, he's just chilling. Isn't this church beautiful? I wonder how long it's been around. It looks like a Gothic style church.
country.
What country flag then?
Maybe it's a New York flag.
New York.
Maybe. I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to tell me what flag this is. I thought it was a New York flag, but it's not. I'm standing outside a church in Manhattan on 5th Avenue. I don't know the name of the church, but can you tell me what flag this is? Episcopal Church flag.
저 어디 봐요 오늘?
Uniqlo is one of Gabriel's favorite stores, and my parents have never heard of it, so we're gonna go in there real quick before we go on the train. I actually wanted to look at the coffee shop here. I've never seen a Uniqlo with a coffee shop, so I wanted to take a quick peek. Hello. I'm okay, thank you.
이거 보는 거나.
What?
자기 객했다고.
My dad is really impressed with how well they folded the clothes.
이거 보는 거나.
$40 for this. I like the suede collar detail on the jean jacket. Very stylish.
이 남자가
These are New York themed graphic t-shirts. I didn't know that they had books here. Little comic books. Let's take a look. Let me know in the comments if you are familiar with any of these comic book characters. Oh, well, I know Hello Kitty. Oh, there's the coffee shop. I really like the size of that canvas bag. At the coffee shop, they have hojicha, which is herbal tea. And there's the coffee shop. Thank you. All right, guys, we're gonna wrap up today's video. Hi. Because we now need to go to the museum, so I'll make a new video. So don't forget to check that one out. And thanks for hanging out with me today. Please like, subscribe, and share, and see you next time. Bye.